carry am. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I didn't want to make this a talking vlog, but as circumstances may bring, it became a talking vlog. So today is Saturday and tomorrow is going to be my birthday, so I decided to go out today because I have work tomorrow. So I'm here with IJ, my friend.
Babes Luxury, period.
So we are at this restaurant, this Chinese restaurant. This is my second time I'm trying it, and I just get my carrying me can say you guys should say thank you to her. So this is the food we're having. So she's having, this is like I think spaghetti, right? And I don't know the other thing, the stuff that she's eating over there. This girl, she do like me. So me, I got panko shrimps, crab. This is called, I think used to call it crab puffs.
Yeah.
And then I think this is meat, some kind of pork, then Chinese fried rice and some shrimps also. Yeah. Vuoi acqua?
Acqua naturale e frizzante?
Naturale.
Naturale?
Sì.
7,2? 7,2?
Sì.
Acqua naturale. 2 bottiglie, una quante bottiglie?
How many bottles? No,
How much? 2.
Due. Sì.
Buon appetito.
Grazie.
How do you take over up when you
Oh yeah, now.
So it's a job.
I see now.
Go restaurants. Know how much they.
Nigeria, you're not good there for Nigeria because you know how much you go pay for Nigeria to go carry do buffet. Now only Italy I go. I don't go road house. I don't go Old Wide West. that one. But now mostly steak. Now they do cook for that side. Steak and hamburger.
So come here. Explode.
Grazie.
Hey, I'm going to have over here.
How many you go?
The food do not go. Use cooler.
I have to pull up my body. One day, give it a hotel.
Before that, I came here. One, eat them MAONO.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
How many did you pass your time? I didn't know the lab. I didn't know to do that. So you give me killing.
Oh God, yeah. I go see ciao.
Ciao.
You know the vlog. Who plated this? Wow, some people too do. Studio. Fish fry. No, wow. Some people to do. Now, wow. Some people to fish fry.
Why am I looking different in your own video?
It's because of it.
After you sent me this one, I like this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you back with that for Linda. Is my money or your life?
Money. How much do you want?
I want $50 million. I go.
Biggie.
So Tuesday. Do you want to be like I kept, but no, you didn't go.
I don't know why I cannot find that Oscar.
Just search for it. Search the Sia. Soft Glam by Sia. Sam.
Okay. On point. Period.
So you want to put it in? Hey, this one goes fine. See, you can't be like when you both. You should be Black American. You should be part of Nigeria.
I don't know. My mother is from America, not even Italy. I'm not from Italy.
Do that shoe. I bet what's that? My own is 16.1. It's not the same fine. I love the lens well. The lens is fine. Let me. Mommy smile. I'm married now. Give me shit.
Exactly my mommy. My mommy pose.
My mom they pose like judge women. Mommy married now. What you say? Hey, this thing just man like this, eh?
My girl.
Yeah.
Tomorrow for you, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys for coming out for me.
The love was massive.
For somebody we know who is this somebody. Hello guys. So we are done and I just took some pictures. I was like, we'll come because that one go quick come out. Let's say the boss there even they come so. Go for now. This one now. Okay. Now they go. So you go until that bus stop where they there. Now you go for wait. It go stop you. Yes, 25 now. It go stop you for station.
Okay.
Because another station you reach, you go come back here. So guys, we just finished and we took some pictures. So this is IG. I'm just accompanying her back to her. Oh my belly. Accompanying her back to this thing. What? She shall be saying, you know, there's nothing like vlog.
There's no sound.
What do you mean by there is no sound?
The sound.
I should not put you on your enter song. Make I enter song. Since if you don't see so you bring one more now, no, if you don't see so you don't go stay.
Sun will make the distance.
Come, milk cross.
Finer.
So we just finished and I'm just accompanying her back to where she will take her bus.
This bus will come again.
Yes. No, another one will come because as this one is going, another one is coming.
Okay.
So that if that one come, I enter and then we start going. Stop at station direct. Then you take the bus that will take you home.
Your mommy will start going. Her leg is paining her.
No, she said she wants to stay there. Oh my God.
I was thinking my belly will obviously be good. Not that bad.
If not be say we are oversight. Person no go be like say I get belly. Say I be one where the Oh, Chineke, every time you check your when you ask, you want to check how to handle you one day I was saying I will that she for.
When I'm done working out.
You know, say this your belly supposed like even day. So that this one should go show where.
I heard that. You know my belly a bit before. My belly bigger.
When you nearly come, you have been away in Nigeria.
I think from time I never get fat in my life before. So no worry.
My tummy be flat because I know you're not. I come with you like this. My tummy come big past like this.
I know you cannot come in fat now.